Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. TapSwap TG and listing date update. Everything you need to know plus $TPS price prediction. The much-anticipated token generation event, TGE, for TapSwap, the first Web3 skill gaming platform, has been rescheduled. Initially planned for January 23, 2025, the TGE will now take place in mid-February 2025, likely between February 14th and February 15th. This decision comes after in-depth discussions with the Tier 1 decentralized exchange, DX, where the TapSwap team decided to push the date to ensure a stronger, more impactful launch. Delays can often be a sign of strategic planning, and that's exactly the case here. By fine-tuning their debut, TapSwap aims to optimize the performance of their native token, $TPS, and create a positive experience for investors and users. TapSwap listing date and TGE details. TapSwap didn't just announce the new TGE date, they've also shared exciting updates about their platform. With the launch of their redesigned website, we now have a clearer picture of what's ahead. According to the latest information, the TGE countdown has officially begun, with the event set to go live in just 21 days. For anyone looking to get involved, TapSwap has made the process straightforward. Download or update the TapSwap app. This app is your gateway to participation. Complete tasks to earn rewards. Users can take part in simple activities and submit them before the deadline to qualify for special incentives. Stay connected. The TapSwap Telegram community is the go-to hub for real-time updates, important announcements, and discussions. This approach not only encourages user engagement, but also builds momentum leading up to the TGE. A closer look at TapSwap's revamped platform. In tandem with their TGE announcement, TapSwap has unveiled a brand new website designed to provide detailed insights into the project. The updated platform highlights TapSwap's mission to revolutionize the gaming industry by combining skill-based gameplay with blockchain technology. The website sheds light on key features. Mission and vision. TapSwap aims to create a seamless ecosystem where users can earn rewards while playing skill-based games in a decentralized environment. Transparency and trust. By sharing detailed plans, the team has made it clear that their focus is on building long-term value for the community. User-friendly experience. The new site has been optimized to provide all the tools and information needed for investors and gamers to get started. The updates come at a crucial time, as TapSwap prepares to expand its reach and capture the attention of both gaming enthusiasts and crypto investors. $TPS price prediction and market expectations. The spotlight is now on $TPS, TapSwap's native token, which is expected to make waves when it debuts. Industry experts are already buzzing with predictions about its potential. Price forecast. Analysts suggest that $TPS will launch with a price range of 3 cents to 5 cents per token. Market capitalization. Initial estimates place the market cap between $700 million and $800 million, positioning it as a strong contender in the Web3 gaming space. What's driving these predictions? A combination of factors. Strategic listings. Shortly after the TGE, $TPS will be listed on 4 to 5 major crypto exchanges, ensuring high liquidity and visibility. These top-tier exchanges are known for driving significant trading volumes, which should attract more investors. Growing community. The TapSwap Telegram and social channels have been steadily growing, showcasing an engaged and supportive community. Innovative use case. Unlike many other tokens, $TPS is directly tied to TapSwap's gaming ecosystem, giving it real utility and value. Why TapSwap is a project to watch. TapSwap is more than just another Web3 project. It's a platform that combines the fun of gaming with the innovation of blockchain. By focusing on skill-based gaming, TapSwap appeals to gamers who want to earn rewards for their talents, rather than relying on luck or chance. Key factors that make TapSwap stand out. Unique market position. As one of the first platforms to merge skill gaming with blockchain, TapSwap has little direct competition in this space. User-centric approach. From its easy-to-use app to its active Telegram community, TapSwap puts its users first. Strong team and vision. The team's decision to delay the TGE demonstrates their commitment to long-term success rather than rushing to market. Final thoughts. As the countdown to the TGE continues, excitement is building around TapSwap and $TPS. With a carefully planned strategy, a revamped platform, and promising price predictions, this project has the potential to be a big player in both the gaming and crypto worlds. Whether you're a gamer looking to earn rewards or an investor scouting for the next big opportunity, TapSwap is definitely one to keep on your radar. Be sure to download the app, follow their Telegram channel, and stay tuned for updates as the TGE draws closer. The future of Web3 skill gaming is here. Don't miss your chance to be part of it.